Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel IBOL Designing Developer. Like in the previous videos we have just done many of the things using React 18 and I hope you are enjoying that all stuff which we are doing through React 18. So today we are also doing the project using React 18 and I will be telling you what the project will be from start. When we will be moving on to project I will be telling you what tag we will be using here and how we will be learning this tag, how we will be using it in our browser and how to just work with that. So I'll be giving you all the information. Previously on we were working on Bootstrap, like we have installed Bootstrap on our React 18. Then we have written some of the Bootstrap code. We have created Bootstrap table as well in our React 18. But now we are doing some of the different project, or you can say some of the different tag we will be learning in this video. So it will be really helpful. Remember to see this video from start if you want to learn how to just use this tag in React 18, and also just hit a like to this video, and if you are new on this channel hit the subscribe button as well, and also just hit notification bell so you can just see my all the coming up videos which I'll be uploading, and also share this video so more people can learn and they can take benefit of these amazing things. So I hope you will be enjoying my all the coming up videos as well. So remember to check out my previous videos which I have uploaded, because that will giving you help if you want to learn that all things from start. So just now we'll be starting with our video and seeing how to build this amazing project here, and how to use React 18 in our projects using different tags. So just now in the previous videos we have just learned about many things using React 18. So today in this video I will be telling you what is ES modules import export in React 18 and how to use that. So in the, you can say, in the previous videos and in the, like you can say, coming up videos you will be seeing about how to import and export ES modules. Means you can see when we are just working with our React 18 projects here, so we are just getting first of all import things. Means we import some of the things here. If I just show you, so I will be moving to my new window and opening my folder which is created on local disk E. So here I will be opening my folder. You can see this is the folder and this is my app1 folder which we are working with. And here now the import export thing which I am telling you about is this thing. You can see we are getting the import app.j, you can say import app.css. Here we are like just getting. So here I will be telling you why we are importing and exporting these all things here, or you can say why we are just doing that, because we can also work directly here. So why we are importing anything or exporting anything, so I'll be telling you how to, why we are doing this thing and how we do that all stuff. So first of all we will be running this. So I'll be moving to my terminal and writing here npm start to run my React 18 app on my default browser of Microsoft Edge. Then I will be erasing all this stuff, because in previous videos we have learned about nested list here, so we are getting all the stuff of that. So I will be removing that and saving this file here. After saving, you can see we are just now getting this div class name I have written here. So we are just now getting down the div as well, so you can work with that here. So we are getting export default app here. So why we are getting this and why we are getting this import also, so I will be telling you that. And I will be also telling you how to import ES6 modules in React 18, or you can say ES6 modules import export in React 18. I'll be telling you that things as well. So now it will be running it in my default Microsoft Edge browser. So you have to wait a while till it is running. So now you will be getting the title here, starting the development server. Now it is starting my development server here. So I will be doing it side by side. Then you will be getting, it is you can say you will be getting compiled here, and then you can work with that. So here we are now just getting this link tag totally here, and now we are just getting some loading, and you can see it is saying that compiled successfully. Means our means our this app has been compiled and you can work with this. So here I will be closing. Then we are just getting this thing here, you can see. So here we are now getting this, and then after getting these all stuff here I will be moving to app1. And after moving to app1, here I will be just moving to my title file here, and I will be giving it the title. So you have to change the title and giving it like ES6 modules. So here I will be writing ES6 modules import export, because our project is about this. You can see now we are getting the title ES6 modules import export. We will be not building any of the project, just I'll be telling you how to import ES6 modules and how to import and export that, and why we do import and export in React 18. So for doing ES6 modules import export, you have to move to terminal. After moving to terminal, you have to write npm install, or you can say npm I ES6 modules. Press enter. So now, and you will be pressing enter, so it will be installing your ES6 modules which you will be importing in your app.js file. You can see now it is just downloading some of the ES6 modules. Now it is done. So you have to close it, move down, and here after moving down, just you have to now erase this. Right here, import ES6 like this, import modules here. Then I will be writing from modules which is written. Then you have to move down, right here, import ES6 from, then I will be writing ES6 like this. Now close this. So we are now getting this import modules from modules. Then we are getting import ES6 from ES6. So we have import these both things. Now I will be telling you why we import these all stuff. So we are importing these both things here because we are using ES6 as our backend on our Microsoft Edge browser. Like we use JSX at the backend of our Google Chrome browser as JavaScript backend. So we are using this ES6 at the backend of this Microsoft Edge browser here to just work on it backend. So if I just show you moving to inspect, so you will be getting the you can say if I move to console, so you will be now getting nothing here because now it's mean that our ES6 is working and our modules is also working. So if I run any of the thing here, if I erase this link tag which is written here, and if I write here ES6, so here I will be writing ES6 here like this, then close this and I will be writing here this is ES6, save it. Now we are just now getting error because ES6 has been not defined here. So here for defining this, just you have to now doing one thing here. I will be now removing this stuff, and after removing here I will be moving right here H1 in which I will be writing ES6. Now if I write here, so you can see still we are not getting anything here. So here I will be now saving this, and if I just remove this ES6 here and remove this modules as well, save. Now we are getting ES6, Control Z, and now doing this thing here I will be removing this import module, save this. Now it is still having, means it is working, means this ES6 is working, the modules is also working here. So now you can see we are getting ES6 written here on the front end, means that our ES modules are working here in our React 18. So we have installed that. First of all, you have to download its library by moving to terminal, and after downloading its library you can work with this. So you can see it is now working ES6 modules. So like this you can just work with this amazing ES6 modules, import export, and like this you can import this and export. We have exported here a default app which we have created previously on. So this was our project here in which we have learned about how to import ES6 modules and how to export it through React 18. And I hope you understand this project. So you don't have to import modules directly, you have to import this ES6 here. First of all, downloads its library, then you have to import this. So I hope you understand this video, and if you have understand, enjoy this video, so hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so you can just see my all the coming up videos which I'll be uploading. So just I'll be meeting you next project. So for today, good bye.